Welcome to a new way of presenting architecture. With XR Easy, you can offer your customers a unique, immersive tour of planned interiors and buildings of all kinds. True to our slogan, Meet Your Reality. Reality and vision merge in VR for a real-life size sense of space and a better understanding of the design. What cannot be conveyed by the screen, on printed drawings, or glossy renderings comes to life in VR glasses. With XR Easy, your customers directly experience the real dimensions of rooms and move freely within them. Whether it's a tiny house or a large-scale building, with XR Easy on your headset you can present buildings of any size and complexity like never before. The teleport function allows you to move freely to any location. Alternatively, you can set up a guided tour with predefined viewpoints and guide your customers through the design. The scale is now real. Doors, ceiling heights, wall distances, all this no longer is just theory. The integrated measuring tape can be used to take virtual measurements, for example, to check distances or passageways and to better understand the room concept. In planned kitchens and other functional rooms, buyers can get a natural feel for the ergonomics, the optimum height of the kitchen worktop, the accessibility of drawers or storage surfaces. All this can be checked as in real life. VR is also ideal for planning the layout of larger areas. People can get a picture of the entire factory floor, understand the planning of assembly lines, and familiarize themselves with the layout of individual machines and workstations. Collaboration also plays a major role here. Thanks to the fully integrated co-op function, several participants can travel through the virtual space at the same time, explore the rooms together, share their impressions, and provide feedback for improvements. And should a customer presentation even take place sitting down? No problem. With the Move All function, the room is simply moved around the viewer. So your customers experience the planning in a relaxed manner and without having to stand up. You can generally use XR Easy without a PC. A suitable all-in-one headset from Meta, Pico, or Vive is all you need. If your VR glasses are compatible, you will find our two applications, XR Easy Viewer and XR Easy Basic, in the App Store for download and personal testing. With the basic version, guests can participate in a third-party online VR session without purchasing a license. The basic version only works fully with a PC license from XR Easy. The viewer version, on the other hand, can be used immediately for your design reviews. It supports the conversion of the common 3D formats GLTF and OBJ directly on the VR goggles, without a PC. The import settings can be quickly adjusted so that your 3D model is loaded into the VR scene in the correct size and orientation. With XR Easy, you can present your designs in life size immediately after conventional planning. Offer your customers an incomparable experience that literally brings the sense of space, ergonomics, and design to life. Let your planning become reality. Meet your reality with XR Easy.